So for today's video, I'm just gonna be basically packing for our trip to Las Vegas, where we are attending the military ball, and it is in Las Vegas. So I'm just gonna show you guys my makeup bag packing, I guess, and then it's gonna be a 2-in-1 video, because then I'm also gonna show y'all me in Vegas. And then I might also show y'all what I'm like actually packing to in my suitcase, me and my husband. So yeah, let's get started with the makeup. So I'm literally sitting on the floor in my bedroom, and I just opened up my tube. I literally just opened both of my eyeshadow drawers, and I'm just going to pick which eyeshadow palette I want to take with me for the marine ball in Vegas. Okay, so in this first drawer, hold on, okay. So I was thinking maybe this, if I could open it, this Tarte palette, but then I'm like, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna put all the options that I have on the side, and then I'm just gonna go through them and see what I want, what I don't want. So this is one option. I was thinking maybe this. So I don't know. Well, because I'm wearing a red dress, so I don't want to have crazy makeup going on when I'm wearing a red dress. And then I have this palette. It is the Sylph X one. And then no. Then I have this one. Maybe. Okay, well, let's not. Let's keep that open. Okay. So this is what I have so far this is what I have so far from my first drawer of eyeshadow palettes. So the Jaclyn Hill one, yes, this is for sure a contender. I do have like single eyeshadows, but I'm like, nah. The Huda, nah. The James Charles palette, if I can open it. I feel like it's too big, and then it also has like too many colors. Like it has too many bright colors, so no. No. Okay. So these are the options that I picked. Basically, I'm going for kind of like a brown, kind of like smoky eye with like gold on the lid. So maybe that one. I'm gonna say no to this one. No, too many orange shades. So I think yes to that one. And then I really like this one too. So, Okay. For sure, I am picking these two. You do not need this much to take for military ball. Like, look how many lip options that I have, and all the concealers just for one day. Like, you do not need to do this. And look at my contour palettes. 2 of them and a freaking little one on the side. Like, no. So if all this doesn't fit in this makeup bag and that makeup bag, then I gotta take some stuff out. Okay, so I'm just basically gonna show y'all what I'm packing. It's very extra. I don't need like 10 lip colors, but this is my first ball, so I am a little nervous. So okay, so I'm back from watching Despicable Me, and it is late. It is 8:25, and we still haven't packed. The suitcase is literally empty. We have just like a few ideas of what we're gonna take, but like we have not done anything, and it is late.
you have.